Hey guys, it's me Sujoy over here. So today I'm going to be talking about how to start a fully automated online business. Um, I just came across this amazing course. I've been using it for a few months now. I'm getting great results. Just to quickly walk you through the website over here. So this is the landing page over here. So it's 100% free course, how you can launch this fully automated online business from home. Best part is it's beginner friendly. So what I like about this specific course is you don't need to have any technical skills. You don't need to have any social media followings. You don't need to have any physical products, or you don't need to have any previous experiences. So it's completely beginner friendly, and it's completely, the courses are in the form of video series. And if you look over here, you'll be taught by Jonathan Montoya. He's my mentor. So he's a seven-figure internet entrepreneur, and he has helped thousands of people, leave their 9 to 5 jobs. And the course is 100% free. So if you're looking for financial freedom, if you're not happy with your 9 to 5 job, and if you're looking for earning money passively, I highly recommend you check out this course. Now, if you ask me who this course is specifically designed for, so if you're, say if you're working in your 9 to 5 job, you're not happy with your job, or you want to look for additional ways to earn income, this course is for you. Or you want to create a monthly passive income machine from home, or you want to have complete time freedom, freedom to travel around. You want to have that financial freedom, freedom to work from home. This course is definitely for you. Or if you're looking for creating multiple passive income streams on autopilot, then definitely you should check out this course. All you need to do over here is you just need to click over here, take the free course. You just need to put in your details, your name and your email address. You can enter your phone number. That's completely optional. I already have an account with this course, but I want you guys to take action. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep a link down in the description below. So I want you guys to take action, enroll up for this course. It's 100% free course to enroll. Um, and also, if you like watching this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. So, guys, make sure to take action. With that being said, you guys have a great day. Peace out.